A few days ago, I briefly showed how I set up this Xbox controller for my CNC Plasma machine. And today I realized why using this might not be the best idea. So I'm here in the shop working, and I decided to cut a few parts. So I boot up LinuxCNC, go to start Axis, the GUI program for controlling the machine, and rather than getting the graphical interface, I get a crash and an error dialog. Maybe it's a fluke. We'll try it one more time. Try it again, same thing. A crash and an error dialog. Well, I guess I'll read the error this time and maybe try and debug it, you know? So it says, HAL input cannot be loaded, no inputs found. Well, HAL input is for the joystick. I've got it here in my hand. I can see it's plugged in. I found the input. Why are there no inputs found? Right? What's going on? I notice that the light here in the middle is turned off, when usually it's all lit up green and stuff. Well, that's kind of weird. I know. I'll turn it off and on again, because that fixes everything, right? So reboot Linux, start Axis up again. Same thing. HAL input cannot be loaded, no inputs found. So take a closer look. And I'm pretty sure I found the problem. Son of a dick, I must have dropped something and severed the cable right in two. Because these things are not exactly built for industrial environments. Go figure. Yep. I guess I could try soldering the cable back together too, but I'm not sure how well that'd work out, and I don't particularly need to risk this thing crapping out on me in the middle of a cut. So I just went online, ordered a new one, and that'll be in a few days. And for the meanwhile, I can put this aside and instead hook up this. A big old set of Allen Bradley industrial buttons. Should be far more skookum and last a bit longer in a shop environment. So these guys I can wire up to the breakout board for the parallel port the same way I would with a torch height controller. I get that set up. And with this wired up and a few changes to my HAL configuration, I should still be, up and going until the next Xbox controller comes in. Yeah. But that really is the biggest advantage of DIYing stuff like this. When shit goes sideways, you know how it's supposed to work. You can find why it isn't working, and then you can find ways to adapt.